wonder how people just go viral and completely destroy the fucking game? Well, I'll tell you what. My friend, Decayman West on TikTok, we went out to do some research, looked at TikTok, and we looked at all this stuff, all to find out that we don't want to do all this shit. Then we decided a few things we did want to do, and we started looking more for like camera tricks and stuff like that. So this is what we found. This is what got us 1.9. We got 1.9 million, I think 2 million views on TikTok for this, and then we reposted it over to Facebook, and we got 10 million views. Check it out. So what makes this video viral is I can understand this in any language. I don't need to be rich or poor. I just need to have a cell phone and then edit the video. This went viral, 1.9 million on TikTok, 10 million on Facebook. So if you're wondering how you can literally use this for your brand or business, this is everything we did to recreate success. So as we were doing our research, like I said, in Google, we looked up in YouTube, we looked up viral TikTok videos, viral reels, you name it. Anything you could keyword in there, we searched. And then we decided, well, we're not going to do a whole bunch of things, but then we decided we wanted to do a camera pano trick that just looked absolutely amazing. So we found a few, and then we just decided to recreate one on our own, which was me standing in frame, taking off the shoes, and as we're panning, I run out of frame while it captures, leaving a shadow behind, making it look like a ghostly figure set to some trending music, and boom, over 2 million views on TikTok, 10 million views on Facebook, and then, hey, guess what? We even reposted it to a few platforms that did absolutely shit. So by doing this, what we were doing is we gained a whole bunch of new followers, we gained a whole bunch of new views, and when we posted on Facebook, I know one of my business pages got a whole bunch of new likes and follows. What could this do for your brand or business? Just by increasing your audience, by trying to recreate a viral video, but completely like with your spin on it, completely something new. So this is what made this video completely viral. By watching this video, I've decided, like, as I look back, I'm like, all right, these are some few key elements that made this go viral. So one, what can you watch in any language and still understand the video? Okay, so in other words, I don't have to sit here and explain shit to you. You can watch it and be like, damn, okay, in any language, okay, doesn't matter. So one, we decided with the camera panel trick, we can just add a trending audio as well at the time. And then what else barrier to entry so people can recreate, because a lot of people do want to recreate stuff they see, whether they do it or not. We decided, well, I'll tell you what, it would be really nice for this to just be done on a phone. So then it doesn't matter. Not everybody has phones, but majority of people do. And that's what we decided, what you can do in any language, and then what you can do whether you're rich or poor. Like, we're not extremely wealthy, so it's like we can pull out our phones and recreate some stuff. So, by lowering the barrier to entry to 1, recreate, and 2, understand in any language, and 3, use trending audio. That is exactly what we did to explode and go viral, and it worked. It worked, and it was so awesome that even while this video was growing, we were able to make additional content and post about this video going viral to check it out. Here's the link, and then to like talk to everybody in the comments. So like, it was like so much fun to just like get that conversation going, and 2, to get any new inquiries into your business. Why would you not want to do this? It is so easy. We literally took, I think, a total of 2 hours from the time we did research, the time we looked up everything on Google, YouTube, TikTok, Reels, you name it. We searched everything. We watched a whole bunch of videos. We wrote down our top 5 ideas, and we wrote down like kind of like what we want to do. And then from there, we're like, all right, cool. Like, let's make it like a camera trick. And then we reformulated our idea once or twice. We went back, we researched again, and we're like, that's it. Once we saw something, that's it. And actually, we made 10 of these in a really short amount of time, and 1 stuck and blew up. And that's the power of doing the research into this and going viral. You can also take this and
the video you're posting, make sure to post it on other platforms too, because you don't know. We didn't know it was going to get 10 million views on Facebook. Like, who cares, right? But it did. So the power of this, and now we're in the day and age where creators are getting paid. This is just a great way to make more money and take your brand viral for your brand or your business.
So what makes this video viral is I can understand this in any language. I don't need to be rich or poor. I just need to have a cell phone and then edit the video. This went viral, 1.9 million on TikTok, 10 million on Facebook.